Hello everyone, there's greeting. Today I need to show you about ChatGPT PowerPoint presentation. Qasim Hamakushid Hamamrad video from University Technology Malaysia Information System Department. Exactly, we have artificial intelligence and how to use ChatGPT to create PowerPoint presentations. How to create a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT is the questions many students, many researchers they ask. And exactly we need to use ChatGPT to create a presentation about our document, our article, especially for workshop, for presentation, for a dissertations presentation, or for thesis presentations. So can I use ChatGPT to create a PowerPoint presentation? This is one question I need to answer through these presentations. This question, can I use ChatGPT to create a PowerPoint presentation? Exactly, we can use ChatGPT. The first one, open ChatGPT and ask for the outline of a presentations. Step number 2, make any adjusting to the presentations as necessary. It means make adjusting. Number 3, copy and paste the chat output into Plus AI. So Plus AI, there's other artificial intelligence to create a presentation, to convert the text from ChatGPT to presentations. Step number 4, make adjustment to the outline. Step number 5, review the slide deck and AI output. So make final tweaks to the deck using AI and by hand. So these are the main steps we can make step by step to create a PowerPoint presentation from the ChatGPT. So just now we start practically how we use ChatGPT. When we go to the ChatGPT, we must write like this. We must write like what? Like I need to ask the ChatGPT to make for me the what? To make for me the content for presentations. So give the content for a presentation about the title. Put the title you need. Then separate it across number of slides. So how I can? About the title, I put the title what I need, like this, about the factors that affect Malaysian entrepreneurship from the systematic literature review mixed method. So I need this. Separate it across number of slides, I need to 5 slides. Okay, I need to 5 slides. And I tell him, just now, he tried to make for me what? He tried to give me content for presentation about the factors that affect entrepreneurship from the systematic literature review. This is, we say, play, okay, submit. So, as a peer, the ChatGPT try make for me what? Try make for me the slide and the presentation content. Slide number 1, introductions. Slide number 2, method. Slide number 3, key factor. So make for me 5 slides for presentations. The other question, we say, give me the content for each point. Give me the content for each point. So he tried to give me the content for each slide. Slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3, and so on. By this way, exactly we have what? We have the slide. Okay, this is a. So I copy all, it give me, I copy all, okay, I copy all. So after, from the ChatGPT to create for the slides and slide contains, so the copy all, and we go to where? We go to the docs that document. Then we selected the PowerPoint slide. Okay, from the PowerPoint slide we selected the blank, or you can use any one of them. So you can have a big idea by mistake, or so you see blank. Okay. From the blank we select the extension plus AI for Google Slide. We say new presentation with a plus AI. New presentation with a plus AI. We select it. So we have a text from ChatGPT. So we select the text presentation, the second presentation, and we paste the text we imported from the ChatGPT. So we put the title. This is the title. Okay, this is the title. Systematic review. Okay, this is the title. We need to specify this is the title. So we put bold UI. And you can put in head 1 like this, or no head, normal, as you like. So by this way is selected the text for all. Okay, so we have slide number 3. So you can remove or not. Then go click the generate presentations. Which type you need? So choose theme. You choose theme. If you need plus dark, if you need plus light like this, I select it plus light. So I select next. Just now, build your presentation with plus artificial intelligence AI, but depend on the. So other peer make for me the slide and the presentation. You can go to view and you can say there's a slide show me the presentations. So you see. You can edit something, so they give me agenda and introduction, so the purpose of the study, the overview, management, entrepreneurship, significance, so everything they make for me slides. So how you put to the PowerPoint is easy. You can edit something, but the easy way is you can download, okay, as a PowerPoint, okay. So I check in the, then we open the slide inside the PowerPoint.